User research has shown that children learning to cook often forget to turn off the appliance when they're done cooking and/or forget about the food while it's being cooked. This poses a fire hazard. To address this, we asked how the fire hazard created by leaving a stove on could be eliminated. The concept we developed in response to the question was to have a weight sensor on the stove. When the stove is turned on, it senses for weight, food, pot, pan, etc. If there isn't weight on the burner after 5 minutes, it turns off automatically. Our prototype consists of a power source, rotator switch, timer, and a light to indicate when it's sensing weight. While this successfully addresses the issue of leaving the stove on afterwards, it may be flawed in that the burner would remain on if there were food or some other weight on it. So Tommy turns on the stove. He doesn't have anything on it, so the timer starts ticking down, and the light gets dimmer. Then he puts food on the stove, and the timer resets to 5 minutes. And then when he's done cooking, he takes food off the stove, forgets to turn it off, and so the timer ticks all the way down, the light turns off, and the stove turns off at the same time. Based on the prototype, the design seems feasible as it is using a common household appliance with easy upgrades such as a scale. It is also desirable because it would be reasonably priced, unintrusive, and parents wouldn't have to worry about their kids while they cook. To improve usability, a weight threshold might be implemented to account for stray food or other non-cookware objects on the burner. Overall, we recommend that this concept be iterated on and improved by finding a way to remind the child there is food on the stove.